Hello, I want to show you the simple time counter. It's very easy time counter. Just download and go to prefab and now drag the time counter to the hierarchy. After you do it, go to time counter and edit the settings. It's very simple, just type of action if you want to increase or decrease the time. I want to decrease. If you want to display the seconds, full clock if you want, minutes and seconds, or if you want to hide. I want to minutes and seconds. Remaining time, if you decrease, you need to edit remaining time. If you increase, the time to finish. I put 120. Now we go to action when time is over. If you want to run an action when the time is over, you need to go to action and choose. You want to exit the game when the time is over. You want to run a function. If you want to run a function, just write your function name here and you can edit the function in the time counter script. You can load scene. If you want to load scene, just enter your scene name. But don't forget to go to File, Build Settings and insert your scene right here. I want now to run a function and I put it on 10 seconds. I want to show you. Now font settings, font style, style font size, if you want to increase or decrease the font size, 32. Text anchor, if you want to move the text, I put it in upper left. Font color, I choose now green, and you can padding the text. Let's run and see. Okay, you see it's 10 seconds, let's 30 seconds. It's give me time to explain and play. It will run a function after it's over. Go to console and write here the message. Style font, you can move whatever you want. Color, you can move horizontal and vertical, and 3, 2, 1, and it's run a function. In my function I write debug log. You can put any function you want. And that's all. Thank you very much.